Mayong gabi sa lahat na nakakapakinig nito. Alam nyo, totoo lang, may kontrabida dito yung kaibigan kong to. Guard to. Basta pasensya na sa lahat na nakakapakinig nito. Importante kong sasabihin to kung bakit nga ba gusto kong tumakbo. Dahil nararamdaman ko yung pakiramdam na nawalan ka ng pag-asa. Nararamdaman ko na nawalan ka din ng pag-asa na akala mo wala na tayong ilalaban pa dahil marami tayong pinaglalaban at inirarally. Pero ito lang gusto kong sabihin sa inyong lahat na nakakapakinig nito. Bakit umaasa ka sa mga taong lagi mong inaasahan pero lagi kang pinangangakuan? They're just always promises of you that there's someone there providing, giving you love and care as a family. I am not a perfect person in the world. Hindi ako perfectong tao. They're just calling me scammer, modus, addict, and more of that. But I'm providing to be. My mommy died. Nanay ko na matay nung nakalaban-laban na hindi sinuportahan ng gobyerno. Dahil ang tawag sa amin, manloloko kami. Pasensya na po kayo sa mga nakakapakinig nito. Ako po ay si Stephanie Valor Barleta na sinasabi patay na daw po ako. Hindi pa po ako patay. Pinipilit po akong patayin at gusto po akong pangakuan ng mga salitang hindi ko dapat po sabihin po. Marami po akong gustong ipatunayan. I just want provide to be who I am. Those people hear me. I am not a perfect of those people in society here in the Philippines and also in the Manila and QC and all of those people see me as I am. I always trying my best before. Gusto kong magpakatotoo kasi ang sakit sa pakiramdam na ikaw nagpapakahirap ka sa tax mo. Ikaw nagpapakahirap ka maging sundalo, pulis, at ano pa sa gobyerno. Pero wala kang napapala. Kasi, inuuto ka. Pero hindi mo alam yung pakiramdam sa akin na nasasaktan ako. Pero hindi mo nararamdam na nandito lang ako. Nandito ako, pero ine-echeboretsyon niyo ako. Ginagawa niyo kong luka-luka. Matagal na akong nagtitiis at nag-aantay sa totoong laban na nais kong ilaban. Marami akong oras na lumayo ako. Kinalimutan ko ang social media, kinalimutan ko lahat ng tao. I just forgot those people because I just provided to go away and just find a piece of freedom to my family and those people na nakasama ko at naging pamilya ko and be my family and other foreigners there and hear these words. I am provided that I am, yes, I am doing this job. I am not a perfect na nangunguna na agad ako sa mga salita kong to. Nangunguna ako sa mga salitang ito na hindi man totoo o totoo man. Ako ay isa rin sa mga taong inaabuso ng tao kasi nga umaangat tayo, nakilala tayo. Nakilala ako sa Motivated 3x3 dahil sa hindi akong host doon. Ako ay nadalaw lang at nanonood ako. Yes, totoo na may gusto ako sa isang influencer na si Rando Labrador. Pero iniwasan ko yun dahil meron akong gusto pang patunayan. Maraming dumaan sa buhay ko na naging nobyo ko at naging girlfriend ko. I am part of LTGBT. Isa rin ako sa mga bisexual and bakla. Para sa kung sino ka, naging isa rin ako sa mga hindi perfectong tao. Isa rin akong nagtrabaho sa beer house dati. Pokpok ako. Nagbago ako. Pinipilit ko pa rin magpakatotoo sa lahat. I just trying my best to be who I am. I think Rendo Labrador and his brother, he changed me in the secret way, silently. They use those people to broom me na yung ginagamit nila yung mga tao para lang baguhin ako. I'm thankful of them. And there I'm a hero. Now, I wanna be a hero because of my own providing who I am. I'm not taking drugs now. That I'm telling now na nagsasalita ako, na sinasabi ko kung ano yung gusto ko about sa akin. So, kung hindi man ako interviewin ng mga reporter, it did not give me a chance to provide what I want and plan to here in the Philippines. I have a big plan of all of those. A new Philippines we made for. I want my Philippines, new Philippines, and give their love and care the animals, the old people, and those people, and old people, and those homeless people. I am not the same of others. Isa rin akong laking mahirap talaga po ako. I am a homeless. But I am a character that I always working hard. These people just say bad things on me because of who I am. I'm a Bon Jovi fan, but Bon Jovi is giving me a reason to be a hero of his own society. In his country, America, I'm proud of him, and I salute with him. And I salute those people providing to be who they are. I'm not a God on my own, and I believe God that He gave me way to do it, this competition. Hindi natin kailangan magpatayan para lang sabihin na patayin na yan dahil laratakbong presidente yan. Walang kwenta yan para hindi na pakinabangan, gawin natin baliw. Oo, meron na akong sakit na yung utak ko, minsan, nagiging masakit yung utak ko na nasasaktan ako sa mga nangyari, nai-stress ako. Nilalabas ko yun, pinakikita ko yun. Totoo yun. Pero totoo lang, I have made problems of mine, but I always fight for. I just fight for with something else. I fight for one thing. I fight for your immigration, your freedom has become. Gusto mo ba? You always that you work hard every time. Like other country, Korea, Japan, they are made more work, that more supporting like money them, sahod, salary. You want more than of that. Magtulungan tayo. Work hard and choose the right leader of this town. I know I'm just a young person and I always try to know everything. I'm not graduating in college. I'm just graduating in high school. But I just providing one thing in myself is to help those people who need help in my own town, Philippines. Yes, own town in the Philippines. I just saying these words too that I've been living in Pampanga in 7 months. Nangisakit ako ng ulo ng mga pulis doon. They're just giving me trying to change too. Then I always give up. Why I'm using drugs in 7 months. I'm using it because I think that Rendo Labrador never giving me love and care as a friend, as a big fan of them. I'm wrong. Did someone, a police, say to me here in QC, nagkamali ka, you're wrong. He just changed you because you are a hero of Manila. You are giving love in Quiapo. People, they love you as you are. They believe in you as you are. Why you try it? They just give me love. That I feel the love that I never feel in my family where I grow up in San Pablo City. I love them because they give me life. Kahit na they're fighting each other. If always we fight each other every time. But I always try to fix it because I love them. Kahit na yung lag, minsan ninanakawan na nila ako, minsan kinukuha na nila, they just snatch my money, anything like that. For me, I just wanna promise one thing, to work and show you who I am in 2 years. Show who I am if I am just a simple person and I'm just simpleng tao lang. Mahal ko yung mga kapatid ko, I love them all. But I need justice for myself, that they abuse me so much. They not give me freedom. Where I've been see that artists that the people said, napakapalad mo kasi nakikita mo yung mga artista. They have reason. They have reason to fight what you fight for, what you believe for. Their God gave you a reason why they met each other. Lahat ng mga artista, lahat ng vlogger na nakakita sa akin, they have reason to help each other if you are turning me as a family. Ako, bata nga ako. Yes, I am not a nobody with someone else. But I just provided, not the promises. I am not perfect girl in my own life that I'm bitch. But I provided to change again and again. I try my best. Kahit ni Mama Mercy ko sa Santa Ana, na ang dami ko rin na gawang tulong, kahit konting bagay na minahal ko siya, hindi siya naniwala sa akin. He just always say, ganto siya, ganto, ganyan, ganto ang anak ko, anak-anakan ko. Kahit yung Kuya Carlo ko, na yung sakit ng ulo niya. I hope that they are proud of me as my brother. Na nagbago sila. Nabaguhin nila yung kung sino sila. I am proud to be represent Laguna. I born in here in Manila and I am a Manileñan girl because my father and my mother creating me here in Manila. I am born here in Manila, PGH, but I never saw my birth certificate. Why my mama gave me in some publicity to Clyde Barleta? That the story about myself is because I am not a perfect in my entire life. Nagsinungaling ako sa inyong lahat na kung sino ako. Hindi ko masabi sa lahat ng vlogger, artista, at lahat ng tao kung sino ako. I'm not providing to be say about of myself. Sometimes we need to lie and we need to make them happy to show them who you are, who we got, and show never stop. The circle of the wheel of fortune of earth is always continuous us. We are not just a mentality problem in my mind. I am just no English because I am always reading in some word there in Manila library. See you, I always go where I go reading books because I learn English because I am a caller girl before. I'm a go-go girl before in Makati in filling station. I'm a go-go girl in Pampanga. I am a bitch, yes. But I change because there people believes me. Why you just make out your life be worse? Sabi nila, bakit sinisira mo ang buhay mo? Nandito pa kami. Kung hindi ka mahal ng taong mahal mo, if they not love me, if people did not love me, provided was become who you are. Show become who you are. Marami tayong laban. Sorry po sa ingay po. Marami po tayong laban na nilaban sa ating buhay. NCR, na mga kalabarson, lahat ng mga religion na nilaban natin kung ano yung nilalaban natin. Lumaban din nang ginamit yung rally ni Emmy, ni Marcos na gusto nilang patalsikin si Marcos, si Bongbong Marcos. Hindi dapat. Kasi meron tayong purpose na dapat dumaan tayo sa tamang proseso. We just are continuous. We are continuous with the real fight and competition to become a president. I'm so sorry about my guard na friend ko po, no? Sa lahat po na nakakapakinig dito po ulit. Sorry po. Ako po ay talagang natutuwa na sabihin po ito. At gusto ko rin sana sabihin sa inyo po na my mom is dying January 12. It hurts me more and more. And that's why I've been... Namatay po yung mama ko nang walang kalaban-laban at hindi tinulungan ng gobyerno. At napakasakit po sa akin na ako rin po yung... Danas ko rin po yung nakikitira ko. Danas ko rin po matulog sa lansangan. I've been sleeping in the street. And also, the bad things that happen on myself. Yung mga taong akala ko nandyan para sa akin, tinraidor ako. But it's okay for me. It's okay for me. I try my best and try my best na patunayan sa lahat na ito ako, nandito ako, I'm back. At ipapasalamat ako na you never give up with me. Because you know that what I fight for, your right and your freedom. Huwag kang uto-uto. Hanggang kailan tayo ganito? Habang buhay tayo ganito? Ako, oo. Nakagawa ko ng mali. Nanghihingi ako. Kasi wala rin ako. I am just a poor and homeless yet that I'm always asking coins because I can work. I cannot work. I just try to find work, apply, but they're just ignoring me because of those people. Rich people that say bad things on me in the Philippines. But for me, all of those believe or not believing me. I'm here for your front. I'm here to wake up your mind. Gisingin ang utak ninyong lahat sa katotohanan na dapat magkaisa tayo. Sa katotohanan na dapat ilaban natin kung anong dapat ilaban natin sa mga namatay sa ibang lugar na sa Cebu, sa Bagyo. Bakit nagkakaroon ng Bagyo? Why there are always thunderstorm and earthquake? Because of your caring, don't care of our society in the agriculture. Yung ibang bansa may disiplina. The other places have discipline. You don't have discipline on yourself. That's why we don't have provided that we cannot clean in ourselves. The canals. You see in the Japan, they have clean their own canal. They have fish. They have clean all those. They're not throw away everywhere. Gusto ko sana na kung ako man ay bibigyan ng pagkakataon na sana maging responsible in our town here in the Philippines and other country in other foreigners that think that I can not provided to be who I am. I know who I am. I know people just trying to make me crazy, trying to make me nothing because they want me to die. Gusto nilang mamatay na. Nag-i-English ako. I'm telling English because I want all of the world know the truth of the reality of what happened on me. I try my best always, but I've been in the wrong way because of my attitude, of my dreaming. I'm too much dreaming and I'm too have pride. I down my pride to those people. Nagpapakumbaba ako sa inyong lahat. Laitin mo na ako, sabihin mo na lahat sa akin. May sakit ako. Oo, meron na. Pero I'm trying to be. Gusto kong makabawi sa inyo sa way na lumaban ako. Sa lahat ng mga taong akala na naloko ko kayo, I'm so sorry. Wala akong pera. Yun lang alam ko para mabuhay ko ang pamilya ko, mabuhay ko sarili ko. Masuportahan yung needs ko. Sa lahat ng mga taong bastos dito, isa ka na. Oh, kaibigan ko si itong guard eh. Sorry po sa lahat po ng mga tao dyan. Sa mga lalaki sa Maynila, sa lahat ng kalalakihan, alam ko na yung anong tinatawag na rin doon saan na ako daw ganto, ganyan. Wala akong pakialam kung ano sabihin ninyo sa tao, pero lahat ng tao nagbabago. Para sa akin, we are changing. No matter who we are, bitch or no matter who we become a person. I'm just saying this again and again. Respect me and give me a chances to provide who I am. Gusto ko magpakatotoo sa inyo lahat. Hindi lahat ng kababayan na kagaya ko masamang tao. You don't know who I am. Wala kang alam kung sino ako. Kasi I try always my best na kahit hindi ko pakita, alam nyo na kung sino ako. You know who I am. You see, you feel. Kita mo, ramdam mo, dama mo. Yung hirap ko. Araw-araw, gabi-gabi. Na yung nagpapakahirap ka para lang tulungan yung sarili mo, tulungan yung ibang tao, tulungan yung pamilya mo. Ginagago ka. They just make you fucking worse. Pagkatapos sila magkapera sa'yo, iwanan ka na parang wala lang. Ako mabait ako. Puso mamon ako. May puso lang ako minsan pagka sumusobra na nalabas yung ugali ko. Pasensya na sa mga taong nakasama ko na akala ganun nga ako. Lalo na sa mga mercy ko, sa Santa Ana, kung ano sinasabi mo about sa akin. Sorry din sa kapatid ko si Clyde Barleta at sa lahat dyan na nagsinungaling ako na napunta ako ng ibang bansa na akala nyo ganito ganyan. For me, I just always ready and I'm also ready for this fight and I'm just waiting for. Hindi man ako mayaman, hindi man ako meron ng pero alam ko na may tutulong sa akin. Magtutulungan kami ng pamilya ko at magtutulungan tayong lahat sa katotohanan. Kung sinong gusto mo sa puso mo, vlogger ka, artista ka, wake up. Tama na yung laging siya. Back into, give you life better, for the better place. Hindi ako yung parang akala mo nangangako lang, nag-record lang ako, basta nag-record lang ako. Ito, totoo to, real talk to. Totoong sinasabi ko. Hindi mo ko, ang akala nila pag nag-take ka na ng ganto, ganyan, lahat ng nararanasan ko, lahat yung pagsubok lang. All of is struggle. All of is mission. I need to fix up. I need to fix those words like, I don't know that I'm always in the playing in the world, like I'm always in the mission. Trial, kung tawagin. If you never try, you never success. I always try my best. I believe in Rendon Labrador. He was been in worst thing. Isko Moreno, there can't be worst thing. He trying to be a president. At least he try. Diba? Now he winning again and mayor here in Manila. There is my own people that I idolize. That gave me a life that purpose. Nagkaroon ako ng buhay na sila yung naging reason ko para ilaban ko yung karapatan ko, ilaban ko yung karapatan ng bawat tao. Just that people reasonable is part of my life. As a family, please shut up. Please shut up. Yan guys, yan, naririnig niyo po ako. Please tahimik ka. Yan naririnig niyo po ako kung ano po ako talaga. Pagpastos po yung tao. Sorry po. Kaya po, kung kayo po ay akala nyo yun po, o maarte po ako, landi po, no. Ako po ay, in reality, I am just speaking English in social media because not only me here, just, please. Ay, pasensya na talaga. Ang kulit talaga, ha. Kaibigan ko. Pagpasensya nyo na po, inulit tong recording ko po pala video, no? Sorry po. Kasi po, tong kaibigan ko talaga, napakakulit po. Kasi po, nagpapatugtog po. May kailangan po sabihin po sa inyo lahat. I just telling something that he just trying to joking me. No, sorry po. For all of those people, what you believe, what you become, what you want for, you need to help people. Lalo na sa mga rich people and all of the people na mayayaman dyan. Shout out naman po. Tumulong naman po tayo sa nangangailangan. Huwag po tayo maging madamot. Please lang. Ikaw, Rendon, I know you working in America. You working in United States. But please change yourself. We are a Filipino. We are not like somebody else here in the Philippines. Pilipino tayo. Makatang Pilipino tayo. Sana ay ilabas natin ang pagiging tao at pagiging kapwa-tao natin sa bawat tao dahil Pilipino tayo. We are not from another country. We are a Filipino and we are blood and as a Filipino. We are not the China selfish and they're loving. We are just giving care as a friend. But the Navy, the someone in part of the Navy in the United States that he said that we are not friends. It's okay. You're insulting us. But for me, if I just giving a chances to be a president, I will telling in United States, you're wrong. We are a friend and we are a family of yours. No matter what is happened in World War II, etc., we are family. And I swear, and I promise till the end this record voice of mine. Pangako hanggang ngayon, hanggang bukas, tomorrow and another, in the future, I will show who I am. As your blogger, as your singer, etc., scammer mode, etc., blah, blah, blah. I will be here and make you happy in your life for free and make you be who you are. No matter na naiingit ka sa akin o no matter na anong tingin mo sa akin, bahala ka. Ito ako, nandito ako, I'm here to show who I am. Has become with your heart. I love you all. If you don't love me, as a family, mama, chup chup. Thank you for listening of this record. Okay na, magpatugtog ka na po.